What is going on YouTube? It's your boy Mr. Random, and in today's video guys I'm going to show you how to tell if your C4 Corvette has aluminum or cast iron heads. Alright guys, now the first way to tell the difference is actually by your spark plug thread count. So cars with iron heads are going to have a shorter thread count. If you were to compare them side by side to one that would have aluminum heads, you'll notice that the thread count on the iron heads are a lot smaller, and on the aluminum heads, the thread count on the spark plug is actually a lot longer. Let me show you what that looks like. Now, the second way to tell if your C4 has aluminum or cast iron heads is by checking your valve cover. As you guys are soon about to see, your car has iron heads if your valve cover bolts are along the outside perimeter of your valve cover. They'll be along the outside. But if your car has aluminum heads, your valve cover bolts are going to be actually towards the center of the valve cover. Let me show you guys. So this car has aluminum heads. You'll notice the bolts are actually in the center of the valve cover, whereas if it would have been iron heads, they would have been along the outside. I'm going to show you guys a little side-by-side comparison of what that looks like. And that's going to do it for today's video guys. I just wanted to kind of clarify a couple of things, especially if you're a beginner C4 Corvette owner at one point or another. If you plan on working on your own on your car, believe me, the dreaded iron versus aluminum question is going to pop up. So hopefully this video helps out a couple of you guys. Either way, it's your boy Mr. Random. Catch you guys on the next C4 Corvette video. Take it easy.